Hello, Health Warriors. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, your pocket-friendly guide to wellness. Today, we're delving into a topic that resonates with many of us: budget-friendly nutrition. Eating healthy without breaking the bank. Yes, you heard it right. Let's unravel the secrets to nourishing your body without burning a hole in your pocket. Cracking the code to affordable nutrition? Maintaining a healthy diet on a budget can feel like a puzzle, but fear not. We're here to crack the code and show you that wellness doesn't have to be pricey. Let's explore how you can eat nutritious, delicious, and budget-friendly meals every day. The power of meal planning. First on our list is the power of meal planning. Planning your meals in advance not only saves you time but also helps you make strategic and cost-effective choices. Sit down, plan your meals for the week, and create a shopping list. It's like having a roadmap for your nutritional journey. Consider versatile ingredients that can be used in multiple dishes. For example, buy a batch of brown rice, and you can pair it with proteins, veggies, or even turn it into a stir-fry. Meal planning empowers you to shop with purpose, ensuring you buy only what you need. Embrace affordable proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of a healthy diet, and you don't need to splurge to get your protein fix. Embrace affordable options like eggs, beans, lentils, and canned tuna. These power-packed options won't only fuel your muscles but also nourish your wallet. Eggs, for instance, are not only rich in protein but also versatile. Boil them, scramble them, or make an omelet. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget the goodness of beans and lentils, providing a plant-powered protein punch. Frozen fruits and vegetables, your nutrient-rich allies. Fresh fruits and veggies are fantastic, but frozen ones are equally nutritious and often more budget-friendly. They're picked at their peak and frozen, locking in essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, they have a longer shelf life, reducing food waste. Next time you're in the supermarket, stroll down the frozen aisle. Stock up on frozen berries, spinach, peas, and more. They can be incorporated into smoothies, stir-fries, and even as sides. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Smart shopping. Store brands and bulk buys. Let's talk about smart shopping strategies. Consider opting for store brands. They're often more affordable than their branded counterparts without compromising quality. Also, explore bulk buying for pantry staples like rice, pasta, and oats. Buying in bulk not only reduces the cost per unit but also minimizes packaging, making it an eco-friendly choice. Look for deals, discounts, and special promotions to maximize your savings. A savvy shopper is a healthy and wealthy shopper. DIY convenience. Cooking at home. There's something magical about cooking at home. Not only do you have control over what goes into your meals, but it's also a budget-friendly choice. Eating out regularly can drain your wallet, so let's dust off those cooking skills and get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with simple recipes. Try your hand at meal prepping, and discover the joy of preparing delicious, homemade meals. It's a win-win, good for your health, your budget, and your culinary prowess. Seasonal goodness. The affordable freshness. Nature has a way of offering us what we need when we need it. Embrace the goodness of seasonal produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are not only fresher but also more affordable. Mother Nature's discount, if you will. Visit your local farmer's market or look for seasonal deals at the grocery store. From crisp apples in the fall to juicy watermelons in the summer, enjoy the natural rotation of flavors while being kind to your wallet. Canned and dried goods. Long-lasting nutrition. Let's explore the wonders of canned and dried goods. These pantry staples are budget-friendly, have a long shelf life, and are incredibly versatile. Think canned beans, tomatoes, and dried lentils. They're like nutritional superheroes in disguise. Having a stockpile of these goods allows you to whip up quick and nutritious meals. Soups, stews, and curries become a breeze, and you're not at the mercy of the expiration date. A well-stocked pantry is the secret weapon of a budget-savvy nutrition warrior. Water. The ultimate budget-friendly beverage. Let's not forget the simplest, most budget-friendly beverage, water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, and water is the ultimate zero-calorie, zero-cost option. Invest in a reusable water bottle, carry it with you, and watch your health and savings flourish. Avoid sugary drinks that not only add unnecessary calories but also strain your budget. Water is not just a drink. It's a lifestyle choice that keeps you refreshed, focused, and thriving without spending a dime. Thrifty snacking. Navigating the snack aisle. Snacking can be a budget pitfall if you're not careful. But fear not, we're navigating the snack aisle with thrifty wisdom. Opt for cost-effective snacks like plain popcorn, yogurt, and nuts. These choices are not just nutritious but also won't dent your wallet. Steer clear of expensive, heavily processed snacks that claim to be healthy. They might be dressed as fitness warriors, but your wallet doesn't need that kind of workout. Smart snacking is about balance, affordability, and flavor. Community wisdom. Sharing budget-friendly tips. Let's harness the power of community wisdom. Share your budget-friendly tips in the comments below. Together, we create a supportive space where everyone can thrive on a budget. Your experiences might just be the inspiration someone needs on their wellness journey. Health Spiffy, your partner in thrifty wellness. As we wrap up our journey through budget-friendly nutrition, remember that being kind to your wallet doesn't mean compromising on your health. With a bit of planning, smart shopping, and kitchen creativity, you can savor the taste of wellness without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed these thrifty tips, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Spiffy for more budget-friendly wellness insights, and hit that notification bell. Share your favorite budget-friendly meals in the comments, and let's build a community of savvy, spiffy warriors. Until next time, stay thrifty, stay healthy,